Hey everybody, it's Mike Weller from the Weller Group of Keller Williams Realty. We are here. It's our September 2022 edition of our Yorba Linda real estate update. Taking a look back at the last 3 months here in Yorba Linda, and we're looking at the four subcategories that we look at every month when we do this. Townhomes, single-family homes under $1 million, the mid-level price range of single-family homes between 1 and 1.5, and then single family homes 1.5 million and above. So let's start off overall in Yorba Linda. The past 3 months, we're looking at a rolling quarter now. So we're looking at June, July, August. And prices are on a dollars per square foot basis dropped from on May 31st. We were at $587 per square foot in Yorba Linda. On August 31st, we were at $565. So that's a 3.7% decline. The average price actually dropped 8.7% from 1.455 million to 1.329 million. So what actually is happening is there are more homes selling in the lower price ranges. So that brings the average price down even more, but it doesn't bring the dollars per square foot down as much because those smaller homes, the lower price homes, tend to have a larger dollars per square foot. So in reality, over the past 3 months, prices in Yorba Linda have dropped somewhere between the 3.7% dollars per square foot and the 8.7% average price decline. In reality, we've probably dropped about 5% in the last 3 months. So we've certainly had a price correction here this summer with more inventory coming on the market and then interest rates doing what they have done. So that does not necessarily mean we're going to see that trend continue. I believe we were in for a little bit of a price correction. I wouldn't be surprised if we have a little bit more, but I do not expect any kind of, price crash, the bottom to drop out of the market like we saw back in 2007, 2008. So we have 1.8 months of inventory here in Yorba Linda. So that is still not a lot of inventory overall. It's still technically a seller's market. Across the four categories, townhomes and condos, we have 1.8 months of inventory. So there are 26 properties on the market. Back in May, there were only 12 on the market. So single family homes under $1 million. We actually have 24 homes on the market here, beginning of September. That's twice as many as we had back in May and twice as many as we had last year. 1.8 months of inventory again in that category. So it's actually good news for entry-level home buyers. There's more, there's more inventory. There are more properties to choose from. You're not tripping over 25 other buyers for every listing. So in the 1 million to 1.5 category, we have 1.4 months of inventory. We have 31 properties on the market. That's about even where it was back in May. This time last year, there was 20 properties on the market. And then 1.5 million and above, 46 properties on the market. There were 34 back in May. There were 28 this time last year. 2.2 months of inventory. So if you're looking for something a little bit more expensive, that's the market that tends to favor the buyers the most. And that's usually pretty typical. Even that luxury price category has had a really strong seller's market the past 2 years, or really, probably the 2-year run between June of 2020 and June of 2022. But that has changed a little bit here. So anyway, that's where we're at in Yorba Linda here in September as we get into the fall. And as we do every month, we will continue monitoring and keep you updated. So take care, everybody. See you around town. Take care.